Hey you guys, it is shopping day, so welcome to another episode of Costco Weekly. Let's go shopping. Shopping mayhem we're in for today. All right, so we're in Costco, you guys. These big old 22-inch Argenta resin planters are on sale for $22 in a nice pewter gray and like a matte black, I'm going to call it. It's not really black. They're the only two colors right now. We just did a review on this. Total buyer beware. In case you didn't see it, you can see these corner pieces here. There's no way that this will hold soil. So don't buy this item, you guys. So here's a new item I didn't notice last week. It is a lightweight kink-resisted rapid flow hose, 100 feet. And it looks like it sits in the box like all deflated if you look at the image here. This seems a little expensive, but it could be worth it. I think I'm going to check it out. Here's another item here. This is a Greenworks Pro 80 volt self-propelled electric mower. It is 2 horsepower and has a 4AH battery. Uses an 80 volt lithium battery with up to 65 minutes of run time. Maybe good if you have under a 1/4 acre. It doesn't look like the deck size is very big, but could be interesting if you have a smaller property. So some fun summer items. The kites are in. They're $16 this year. We have several of these, and they do fly beautifully. They're very interesting in the sky. Oh, but this is one that I don't have, a giant owl. Oh my goodness. We have dragons and butterflies, but that is very cool. So this party island is $160. Interesting. Look at the size of it. They have this new Leisure Line rocking chair made of recycled plastic for $190. Looks nice. It's pretty sturdy. Doesn't look very comfortable though. So this item here caught my attention. I guess it's by weight. $15, $16 for a salad like this, which is a handful of baby spinach, some grape tomatoes, eggs, a lot of cheese, some raisins, some nuts, and some onions. Look at all the cheese in this one. Oh my goodness. And I think about the salad that I make every day and how much it would cost. Oh my gosh, I should start charging Farmer John for my salad. So not too much worth really mentioning in there today. But the campaign is about to change, and you know, the things that I did highlight are, you know, an indicator that things are coming in. I think they want to get through Valentine's Day and the mess of flowers everywhere. And speaking of which, gosh, you know, I have to mention this because I did my other video about being alone at the holidays. And I'll tell you, I am not into these Hallmark holidays. And Farmer John is luckier than I think he realizes. I don't need flowers. I don't need candy. I don't need jewelry. I don't need like any of that. And I know some people do. And there are those who just don't really, you know, show, like they just don't know how to show their love and affection. And they, you know, they need that card to know how to say I care about you and you mean something to me. They have to give flowers because maybe that's their way of showing up. You know, I don't know. I don't want to say too much, you guys, but I can't not comment. You know, why do we need that day? Why do we need Valentine's Day? It makes so many people feel bad. People who want to be in love, people who want to be cherished, people who wish they had that man in their life who was bringing them flowers or candy or some jewelry. And then you have those men who just wish that, you know, they had a home cooked meal to come home to, maybe, you know, a freshly made cake or something, a massage, you know, whatever couples do with each other, you know, that's all you need. All you need, you know, a genuine look deep into someone's eyes with an "I love you, you mean the world to me. I can't thank you." There's no card, there's no flowers, there's no candy to show you how much I love you and appreciate you. Valentine's Day is every day when you love somebody. You just need to show up, say thank you for everything, a hug, a kiss, some love, dinner, laundry, all those things are I love yous. And I heard one guy in there, you know, stressed out about if he didn't get this, his girlfriend was going to be mad at him, and you know, he was spending money he didn't really have. And I thought, oh my goodness, you know, I used to John bought me flowers one time in our 25 years together, and I had a fit. And I said, look, I appreciate this, but I don't need this. Buy me a rose bush instead. I can have that forever. And after that, it was no more flowers, and I was happy about it because I feel bad when $100 worth of roses dies in a couple of days, when I could have a bush show up every single year. So, and I realize not everybody has a place to plant a rose bush, but hey, you know, there's so many things in life that represent flowers and candy. But that's my rant on Valentine's Day, you guys. Just remember, tell the person that you love them. And if those words are hard for you to say I love you, you're not a cuddly person, you know, you could just show up. Just show up. Just be there with the person that you love. They'll know, and you won't need those things. So, but anyway, you guys, not much at Costco today. Something I want you to have a heads up for is that they do still have that greenhouse here, and it's sparking a lot of interest. You know, my friend Tara over at Green Love, and I had highlighted her channel on my last video. She's had a tremendous amount of views on her personal review of this greenhouse. So I wanted to give you a heads up that I'm going to be doing a detailed review of this greenhouse. Features, benefits, pros, cons, customer service experience, because we did have issues with it. And I need to let you know how I feel about it now that I'm actually working in it. So that's a little teaser for the next video. So please, if you're interested in that, please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that video. So anyway, you guys, take it easy today. Take care of yourselves, show some love, and I'll see you in the next video.